What's up, everybody? Man, welcome back. You guys, haven't seen y'all in a while. I've been waiting for y'all to come see me, man. Just waiting and waiting and waiting, and none of y'all have come to visit me. So here's another video for you guys. If you guys aren't going to come see me, I'm going to come see you. But anyway, guys, I've got Zeke set up here. Check him out. As always, he's ready to rock and roll. He's down for whatever I'm down for. And what we're doing today, you guys, is I've got a couple things kind of in the works, just to let you know. Number one, what we're going to do today is we're going to change fluids on Zeke, man. It's about that time, and he's about due. So what we're going to do, man, we're going to do a 3-hole change on Zeke. And then in addition to that, you guys, I've got some parts coming in. I've got one part that's here. I've got 2 others that I'm waiting on, and they're small parts, but they're important nonetheless. And I'm excited just to share that with you and let you see what those parts are and what it's going to look like. Man, I'm really excited about it. But anyway, I don't think those parts will make it today, so they probably won't be in this video. But either way, I'll drop this one, and when those parts come in, I'll drop another one so you can see, man, because like I said, I'm excited to show you. So those are coming up, but right now we're going to do oil change on Zeke, and I'm going to bring you with me. So let's check it out. You guys ready? Let's go. Alright, y'all, so I've got all the fluids draining. I got all 3 of the plugs out from the bottom, pulled my dipsticks from the top, of course took my primary cover off, just to, you know, get the airflow going so they could drain well. And that's what's happening right now. I'm going to let it sit for just a little bit. Just want to let you know, my transmission fluid actually was really good. It was clean, fluid looked good, but my engine oil and my primary oil were pretty nasty, man. They were pretty dark, and it's only been 3,000 miles. When I bought the bike, I got first 2 oil changes for free from Harley, which was my 1,000-mile oil change, and then my 5,000-mile oil change. So right now I'm at just over. I'm right at 8,000. So it's only been about 3,000 miles since my last oil change, but it needed it. Like I said, engine oil and primary oil were pretty nasty, pretty dark, pretty ugly. But anyway, got them draining right now. Once they're fully drained, I'll put the plugs back in the bottom. I got new O-rings for those and everything. I got that little kit that Harley sells. It's like $9. It comes with the O-rings, and then of course the primary cover ring, or gasket. But anyway, I'll get those back in. Then I'm going to get the bike upright on the jack, and I'll start putting the fluids back in. Of course, new oil filter as well. But anyway, that's where I'm at. That's what we're doing next. All right, y'all, got everything tightened back up, filled back up. Put the drain plugs in, tighten those up to 21 foot-pounds, put my new oil filter in, and then yeah, fill them back up. So I got 2050 in my oil. I also got 2050 in my transmission, but I did use some gear oil for my primary. So that's just kind of what I do, man. I know everybody's got kind of their own thing and their own opinions. Man, you do what works for you, baby. It's gonna be good. But that's what I did, and we're all filled up. Everything's tightened up. Levels are prime. Man, Zeke is ready to rock as far as that goes. But I got one more thing to do, guys. I got to clean this air filter. Man, I got a Screaming Eagle air filter that came with the bike. It's one of those K&N filters. So I went and I bought this. I bought the K&N cleaning kit, and seems pretty straightforward to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my air filter, clean it up, and then get it back on there when it's ready. All right, I wanted to bring this out in the lights. Maybe you guys can see it a little better, but man, this thing is filthy. Check it out. That's where all the bugs hit it, is right there in the front. Ew. So this one is 2 pieces. If you've never seen one of these, you got that piece, and you got the cover piece goes on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean these up real quick. So here's what I got, y'all. Y'all probably seen this before. A lot of you probably use this if you've got a K&N filter or something like it, but I've got this kit. K&N's Performance Recharge Kit. It's got cleaner and it's got oil. So we're supposed to clean this up, rinse it off with a hose, let it dry, then once it's dry you spray the oil on it, and then it's ready to rock and roll. So let's try it out, see how it goes. All right, y'all, so air filter's drying off. I gave it a cleanse, I gave it a rinse, I let it dry, I looked at it, and I did it again. So it still looked a little dirty, so I gave it another spritz, let it sit for a little bit, give it a little scrub, and then rinsed it off again. So it's sitting in the sun, drying off. It's like 97 degrees out here, so it probably won't take very long. But I was thinking, while we're waiting for that to dry, I do have one part that I've had for a couple weeks and I just haven't put it on yet. Man, it's been crazy summer, but and I thought, man, while we're waiting for this filter to dry so I can get it back on Zeke, let's open this box up, guys. Let's look at it. You want to check it out? Watch this. We got some awesome brown paper here. Boom. Trash. Well, we got some, looks like we got some 4 bolts here. Okay. Huh. Can you guess what this is? Size of the box. Right? Can you guess what it is? Uh-oh. Can you tell? What if I turn it this way? What does that look like? Let's open it up. All right, y'all, here we go. One-handed removal of, what do you think? Arlen Ness? Can you see that? How does that look? I'm trying to get in the sun. The sun's going down over here. Oh yeah, look at that. Arlen Ness carbon fiber fender. Look at that. God, that is sexy, dude. That is sexy. Alright, that's gonna go on Zeke. And it's only 4 bolts on this thing. 2 on this side, 2 on the other. Got to get the other fender off. Get the stock fender off. I'll get the new fender on. And hopefully by the time we get this done, that air filter will be dried up. It's sitting on the top of that car over there. But maybe it'll be dried up. Then I'll have a fender on. I'll get the filter back on. And for now, Zeke will be ready to roll. But for now, guys, let's get this fender installed. What do you say? right, y'all, so fender off, man, easy peasy, 4 bolts, man, not a problem. But before I put the carbon fiber one on, I just wanted to show you, it came with some bolts that I am not going to use, you guys. I want to show you what I am going to use. You probably guessed it, but boom, Bamco, look at that, nice. I'm going to throw these on there to match the other ones that I've got, and it's going to look beautiful. It's going to look beautiful, I'm telling you. You don't believe me? Of course you believe me. Of course you believe me. Let's get them on. Let's see what's up. All right, y'all, we are done, at least for today. At least for today, man. Got 3-hole lube done on Zeke. He's got fresh fluids, man, looking good. We cleaned the air filter K&N all the way. Got that cleaned and oiled up as well. And surprise part for today, got the Arlen Ness carbon fiber fender on the front. And it looks amazing, guys. Man, check this out. Check out how good this looks. Ooh, thing looks sexy, man. It looks sexy. He's a little dirty right now. He's a little dusty. He's been in the garage for just a couple days. But hopefully tomorrow morning, my plan is to come up here, shine him up just a little bit, get him nice and shiny, nice and cleaned up. But guys, looks great. The fender looks great, and he's ready for the road, man. He's ready for the road. So like I said, I've got 2 other parts, guys, coming in. Hopefully they'll be in here the next day or so. But I promise you, as soon as they come in, you guys, I'm gonna get them on Zeke. I'm gonna bring you with me, and you'll be able to check them out. So looking forward to that coming up. But for now, guys, that's it, man. That's all I got for you. It's been a little while since I said hello. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today. As always, thanks for letting me hang out with you guys. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all very much. Remember, wherever you go, guys, there you are. Make the most of it. Later.